Hi, welcome to Laura's Pandora. Today I'm going to show you how I made some Mario Brother coins. They're made out of cardboard and paint and some duct tape sort of thing. I'm making these for my son's birthday party that's coming up soon. He wanted a Mario Brothers themed birthday party, and so I was looking up all the different objects from that Nintendo game and thought, I could paper mache a bunch of them and I can make a bunch of them out of cardboard. And my plan is for these coins is to have treats and candies and toys, little toys stuffed in it. So I'm going to have a little opening for the coin so that I can stuff them and then have a bunch of different items out in a field and just kind of have the kids go wild and find the best item for them or whatever they want, sort of thing. Anyways, let me show you how I made these coins. So first off, you're gonna get a plate and you're going to trace the cardboard with this plate, and it's just a regular size large plate sort of thing. So trace that, and you're gonna want to trace 4 of those for 1 coin. So you're going to have a front and a back, and then the other 2, you're going to get a smaller plate and you're going to trace an outline of that, and that will give you the coin edge. So you're going to cut those out, cut out the 2 round circles, and then cut out the 2 edges sort of thing. Then the extra cardboard that's in the center, you're going to make a number 1 symbol, you know, just a straight bar thing, and cut that out. So now you have all the pieces except for the edge. And the edge, I only did like 2-inch edge sort of thing, strip. And you're going to bend it, pre-bend it so it's really round cardboard style. Okay, so the next step is taping. So I got some yellow duct tape, and you're going to tape the 1 symbol on top of the circle, and then you're going to tape the 1 symbol on the other circle, so you have 2 sides that have 1s sort of thing. Then you're going to take your edge strip and you're going to tape. I just put a strip of tape on top of the edge, and then I wrapped it around the circle, and I overlapped it so that it kind of creates a pocket. There'll be a little pocket for the candy sort of thing. So once you have that kind of bowl shape, right, you've got the 1 flat circle, the edge around it, you're going to match up the other circle, the 1, with the other 1. So the 1s are kind of parallel with each other. You don't want them, you know, crisscrossing or anything like that. You want the 1s parallel with each other, so when you twirl it, it looks like a coin. It has that symmetry sort of thing. So you're going to tape the other edge, round O shape. You're going to hot glue this to the top part, and the others, you're gonna hot glue it to the top and the bottom. I didn't tape this because I didn't want any ruffles or anything, images on the tape, but I noticed that I didn't like the cardboard ruffly edge, so I just took little strips of tape and I kind of taped that ruffly cardboard edge. Okay, on to painting. So I first started out with white yellow paint and I didn't like it. I was like, this is not blingy enough. So I spray painted it gold. And I let that dry and spray painted the other side. And that is how I made the Mario Brothers coin. All the cost was the spray paint and the duct tape, and the cardboard was free. Thanks for watching my video, and if this gives you ideas for, you know, your parties and your events, coolio, I don't know, cool. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this.